everybody. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Shay and welcome back to my channel. So, I decided to purchase this 18-inch ring light from Neewer on Amazon. So the reason that I decided to purchase it is because I recorded a lot of videos and I was like, you know what? I don't like the quality of any of those videos. So I'm like, okay, it could be the lighting, it could be the audio, it could just be how I was feeling that day. So I never uploaded anything. So I recorded a lot of videos, just didn't upload them. Because I'm like, this don't sound right, this don't look right, I don't feel right, like it wasn't working for me. But I decided I can't be like that. I gotta do something. I can't just do absolutely nothing. Like, how you gonna try to do a platform, you watch everybody else, but then you don't want to do it for yourself? It should be easier for you to do because you watch everybody else do it. But it's not that easy, okay? The audio don't work, the technical difficulties here and there and everywhere else. So I was just looking crazy. So I decided to purchase some softbox lights and this little 10-inch ring light. But yeah, that wasn't working for me. I had to set it on some books because I didn't have a stand or anything, and that wasn't working because it kept falling. So I don't want to talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about that today. What I am gonna talk about is this ring light right here. So all I did was open it. I didn't actually take it out the box. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take it out the box. So I ordered it from Amazon on November 15th. And it actually came November 19th. So it took 4 days to arrive. I know I'm making a bunch of noise, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay? So let me see what this looking like. We both gonna see what this looking like today. Alright. As soon as it come out the box. Let me just set this. Alright, so it didn't come inside of a bag or anything. And it was, I think it was $71. I will link it in the description box below. So I'm gonna just open this with these old handy dandy scissors I got right here. Here we go, y'all. I'm scared. Hopefully I like it. I'm pretty sure I will, but here we go. Alright, so all I've been using is just the two softbox lights. Hopefully this will add a little bit to my channel. Make it a little bit more professional. And this is it, okay? Alright, so I guess I just gotta add everything else on there. Alright, let me just open it all up. I'm too happy. I would never be this freaking happy. Woo. Alright. Okay, so I love getting new stuff. But the problem is I don't be knowing how to open that dang on stuff. Then I get frustrated and I just come back like 2 months later and be like, alright, I guess I'm gonna try it. I guess. So I'm gonna do this on video. I'm popping stuff everywhere. Alright. I know y'all probably don't even want to see all this, but you can't even see it. But this comes with it. I'm just gonna attach these to the light like this. I think I ain't even read the directions. But I think it go like this. Okay. So I'm gonna snap all 4 of these to that. I don't know how long it's gonna take because I never did this before. So bear with me. easy. Okay, this not fit. Like, did I do something wrong? I feel like I did something wrong because this ain't even attaching. But I probably did because I ain't read no directions. Okay, so it's like that. Alright. So the next thing I'm gonna open up is the stand that it came with. It's the stand. It's in some plastic. Make sure ain't nothing up. Alright, we good. So snap that. Some scissors. Okay. Alright. Okay, stand. Alright. Then I'm just going to attach that. Set that on the floor. I'm actually sitting on the floor, so because I ain't got time. Alright, so I know I'm making a whole bunch of noise. I'm gonna just set that like this. And they came with these little pieces that I'm supposed to attach. Okay. Some cords. Oh. I found the directions. Is it missing something? Oh. Remote. These right here. Alright. So put the stand up. I attached those already. So what about the pieces? These little small pieces. I'm assuming that this is just for phones, so I'm not gonna put that on there. But this right here, make sure. Shit. What the? Okay. Let me see if y'all can see that. All right, so shit, I don't know what to do with this. Okay. Okay. Let's attach to this. All right, we getting somewhere. Getting somewhere. Okay. All right. This attached. Guess that attached to that. So the only thing I gotta attach is shit. This right here. I did it wrong. Okay, so obviously I don't know what I'm doing because it's missing something. Or I'm missing something because I don't see no little attachment. Look at the directions one more good old time. Okay, so I did that. Okay, I'm supposed to take this off. Right? And then I'm supposed to... Okay, y'all, I am confused. I'm confused. All right. This will never be this hard. That's why I don't do stuff like this. This is exactly what take me 2 months to do stuff like this. All right. Oh. Okay. The problem is I don't even know, like, can y'all see that? I don't know. It's like a little piece it's supposed to attach. No. Cause it turn this way? Maybe it turn. Maybe I'm supposed to turn it. Like shit. Like this. But then if I do that, let me try. Let me try something else. Okay. And I'm gonna slide this on up. But even if, okay. Wait a minute. We're gonna get this together. We gonna get it. Alright. Alright. Now that we've done that, I know it took me a long time, but now it's time to do some thing. Alright. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna take this little plug. I'm gonna plug it up over here. And then, how do I turn this on? Okay, so it's on. I know this ain't right, but I'm gonna get it right though. But all right, let me see if I can slide that out. Can y'all see that? Okay. All right, so maybe I should make that brighter. Oh. All right, I did it, y'all. I did it. We got this. All right, now how do I brighten this up? So right now, okay, it's the dimmest setting. Let me see if I can move this. There we go. Make sure that's tight because I don't need nothing stuff on. So y'all should have seen, oh my God, y'all should have seen me trying to film some videos, okay, with these little backdrops y'all be having. Why my backdrops follow me, bro? We ain't gonna talk about that though. I'm not playing, alright? Alright, so here we go. It's on the dimmest setting. It's not really brightening up anything. Let me fix my little hair. Alright, so let me brighten it up. Okay. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that, bro? Alright. Okay. So I think this is the brightest. And that just washes me out way too much. Alright. We just turn that back down. I think I like this. Okay. So I'm going to put it behind the camera later. But I'm just trying to show y'all how it's looking right now. Okay. Works for me. Okay, then I just turn it back off somewhere. Where do I turn this off at? Think, okay, we did it. Okay, that was it for this unboxing of the 18-inch Neewer Ringlight from Amazon. Okay, y'all need to get one. Y'all seen what it do. Y'all seen that brightness. Okay. So, see y'all next time. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if I'm missing something. Tell me how to make it better, okay? Because I will listen. I will. I ain't about to just be sitting there looking crazy. But alright, y'all. Peace out.